Representing. You ever waited so long for something that when it finally come, your whole body forgets how to breathe? That's what it felt like when my phone rang 76 hours and 39 minutes after Hurricane Melissa hit Westmoreland. 76 hours and 39 minutes of not knowing if my family was alive. 76 hours and 39 minutes of not knowing if our house survived. And then one ring, one phone call. It was 5:37, I think, in the morning in Japan. And my phone vibrated and I hurriedly got up to answer. My heart stopped a bit. And then I heard my sister's voice. I kept it together. I was like, "You all right?" And she was like, "Yeah." She was like, "I know you're worried, but we are okay." And I I'm tearing up because immediately I was like holding it together because they have just been through a storm. You cannot be tearing up on the phone. You're just hearing from them for the first time. Like, keep it together, help to keep their spirit up, right? And so I I I was so glad, I was so happy that they're okay. I was like, "Mommy, Daddy, okay, yeah." She said the house not too bad. It got flooded a little bit, but we're okay. The yard is completely destroyed. All the trees are down, but they're fine. And yeah, I knew that we're fine. You know that we're fine, that you're not fine, but you just have to try to be fine. Yeah, that was the fine that came from my sister. For 76 hours and 39 minutes, I'd been a shell of myself. I went to work. I talked a tad bit. I didn't really smile. I did my lessons. I tried to be Genki because, Japanese people, they want you to be Genki. Like, "Ganbatte, ganbatte, ganbatte." Some of my coworkers, I don't work with a lot of people, thank God. They knew that the hurricane was coming. They knew that it hit. And then they knew that I could not hear from my family. And I just kept the talking to a minimum because there's no way I should be talking and having longer conversations when I could not speak to my family. So I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to laugh. I'm not going to do anything. I could not eat much. I could not sleep much. I had no clue if my family were sleeping in warm beds. I did not know if they were cold. I had no clue. I did not know if they had food. Well, I knew before the hurricane that they had food. I just didn't know the situation at home. So for everything for me felt like I should not be doing it because I don't know if my family have this or if they are okay. And so being 13,000 kilometers away from your family after a category 5 hurricane that came at 185 kilometers per hour hit your country, not just your country, it hit the part of the island that you reside, which is the western part of the island. And not only did it hit the western part of the island, it hit your parish where your family is located. There's no way that you remain the same. There's no way that you can carry on like business as usual. And even through feeling all of this, you have no idea what your family is going through because you cannot hear from them. Electricity is gone, water is gone, and comms, telecommunications, all gone. No way to know. It's just radio silence, and you just have to sit and wait. There's nothing in this world that could prepare me for a time such as this. And even though prayer is a thing that I do, it was hard. I prayed for, Lord, let them be okay. Please let them be safe. I hope that the house is still standing, because by now I could have seen, after it had passed, I could have seen videos and pictures and the devastation, the catastrophe, it was just complete disaster. And there's no way that I could just be okay with not knowing if my family was okay. If you're Jamaican, if you're overseas, you get it. You understand. I had no idea. I had no idea. And as I said before, nothing could prepare me for the devastation that I would see in pictures and videos on the western side of the world. And even until this day, I have no idea how to cope, how to grapple with this, because even though my family's house is still standing, they're not hurt, they're not dead. Several people have died. Several have not been found. I'm still grateful, but I grieve for my country. I feel for my country. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. But I know that I have to try to be my best self for the people who are directly affected by this. For example, my mother, my sister, my father, my other family members, other Jamaicans who've completely lost their homes, their cars, their livestock, their farms, every single thing. Some have lost. Some have lost family members. Some have lost more than one family members. And what do you say to these people? There are no words. I have no words. And so it's remiss of me to just come on social media and to just share any old thing at this point in time, any video that's not related to Jamaica and this hurricane, because what do you mean? I feel for my people and I have to show that I do, because I really do. I've been scrolling and crying and scrolling and crying and, try to be present to watch the videos, but also you want to take a break because it's getting overwhelming each time you see a new video of a family just completely wiped out. But again, how do you come off social media and try to detach when your people are facing a destruction such as this? I want to use this platform, my small platform, to just encourage you. Whatever you have to donate to the people of Jamaica. We need it. I'm not directly there, but they need it. We need it. My family members need it. They're still marooned in. Some people are still unreachable. Some roads are still blocked. They're trying their best. The government is trying, and we're getting aid from different countries, and we're so grateful from all the Caribbean islands that have assisted us already, given in cash and in kind, and every person across this globe who've extended their hands to Jamaica, we truly say thank you. Whether you can see this or not, I'm just still giving a shout out because we're so grateful. We're so grateful. This is going to take some while for us to rebuild, but Jamaica, we are strong. We're resilient. We are the most dramatic, fun, unserious people in this world, but we can rise and we will rise from this. My Jamaican people, my Jamaican family, just know that people in the diaspora, me personally, My heart is with my Jamaican people. Nothing has been funny since this happened. Nothing needs more attention than this, and there's no way I could have a platform like my YouTube channel. I'm not a big YouTuber, but I have this channel, and I have to daily send out some messages, let people know, donate, please. Wherever you are in this world, please consider donating. I'm going to leave some links in the description. Please donate to, if you want to donate to the official government website, or you want to donate to individual charities or individual people who are putting things together for their family who've lost everything. Please consider donating. We really need it. They really need the help. If you don't have a lot of money and you can contact me and you want to help a family, please, please, please do consider donating. We really appreciate it. We really need it. And Jamaica, we will rise again. We will rise again. Hang in there. Hang in there, Jamaica. We will rise again. We can do this. One love to my Jamaican people. We are one of the biggest little islands in this world, and people are helping us, and we're grateful. Hang strong, Jamaica. Big love every time. One love, Jamaica.